Come enjoy the beauty, comfort, privacy, and convenience of Delta Square Apartments. The newly remodeled Delta Square Apartments is conveniently located near huge shopping malls and great dining. Delta Square is also in close proximity to I-96 and 496, putting you just minutes from Lansing Community College and Cooley Law School. Convenience and fine living are what you'll find at Delta Square. Enjoy the beautiful outdoor pool and furnished sun deck. Or enjoy a picnic and barbecue in the community courtyard. You'll have easy access to on-site laundry facilities and the added ease of remote access for guests coming to visit you. Our cat-friendly community offers spacious 1- and 2-bedroom apartment homes, bathed in the light from your own private patio or balcony. Enjoy the views of the beautifully landscaped grounds that surround Delta Square. Inside, enjoy the convenience of full-size kitchen appliances and a huge storage pantry that you don't find in most apartment homes, plus oversized walk-in closets. We look forward to welcoming you home to Delta Square Apartments.